Right, so apologies for the video tonight, it's going to be a bit rubbish. This is the first real startup of the Mondeo since I did all the work. There's no exhaust on it, so we do love a cold start with no exhaust. So we'll just warm the glow plugs up a couple of times and we'll go. Hey! Nice little turbo spool there, and as you can see the ABS light's gone out, the airbag light's flashing because the seat's not connected. We have first gear. Does it move? There we go. Brakes too. Still got a squeak on the power steering pump, but that seems to work to me. All we've got to sort out is that airbag flashing light, but that's because this seat's not connected. So there you go.